Hello crochet friends, welcome back. We're starting a new project today and this is going to be a granny square pillow. It's a cover for a pillow fill or another pillow that you want to, you might be a little tired with and you want to change it up a little bit. You're going to need 4 different color yarns. I'm using this pretty, I think it's called Sea Spray. It's Vanna's Choice. I like these. It feels nice. So these are all worsted weight. I'm starting with the Sea Spray and then I'm moving on to a tan, it's called Cafe, and then a whitish, a pretty white, and then a heather. It's kind of a heather brown. I'm going to use that as my 4th color. So those are my 4 colors that I've chosen, and we're going to use a size I crochet hook, and we need the inside of a pillow for this to go around, and the one I'm using is 14 inches by 14 inches, so just to give you a size idea. But this is repetitive rounds over and over, so if you're using a smaller pillow, you could use less yarn and just decrease the number of rounds that you're doing. If you're using a bigger pillow, more rounds, okay? So all that aside, and let's get started. We're going to start ourselves with chaining 4. So we're going to make a loop, drop our working tail behind, go inside that loop, grab the working tail and pull it up on the shank of our hook. All right? Everybody with me? Okay, let's chain 4. Yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 3 and 4. And then we want to go back to that very first chain there and give it a slip stitch. So we make a ring here. So enter, yarn over and pull through again. Okay, let's get going with round 1. All right. So for round 1, what we want to do is chain 3. So yarn over and pull through 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we have chain 3 there right where we were. We didn't move anywhere. Now we're going to do 2 double crochets inside the ring. So yarn over, but look at it carefully because this is the chain space that we slip stitched into and it stretched itself. This is the middle of your circle right here. So we want to enter our hook here, all right? And then we're going to yarn over and yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 for a double crochet. So now our circle's correct. We did not want to go into that little chain space, and sometimes that's deceiving and it looks like that's the spot you're supposed to go into. So just want to make sure everybody's in the right place. Yarn over, enter that same circle again for another double crochet. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so that's a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and 2 double crochets, okay? Chain 1. Now we're going to do 3 more double crochets inside the ring. So yarn over, enter, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, go right back in, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, that's 2, 1 more. So yarn over, go right back in, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Chain 1. Okay, so we have 2 sets now, right? And feel free to just crochet right over your little tail, then you don't have to tuck it in. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, 3 more double crochets. So we chained 1, enter your circle there, and 3 more double crochets. So here's 1, yarn over, go back in. This is 2 and 3. Okay. Don't want to crochet my tail though. All right, that was 3. Chain 1. Okay, so now we have 3 sets. We need 1 more, okay? So yarn over and go back in for 3 more double crochets. So here's 1 double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochet, yarn over, 3 double crochet. Okay, and I will put a short down below for all the stitches if you need any help with that double crochet. Okay, so always check down below. I do throw the little shorts in there. Just sometimes we just need a little refresher, right? And it's okay, it's all good. So that was 3 double crochets, and let's chain 1. Now we're going to join to our first. So we're going to enter that first right there, that first little space, yarn over and pull through again. Okay, now we're going to change up our color. So we can cut this off here. Pull it through. All right, get your color number 2. So color number 2 for me is Cafe. Okay, now we want to join our color, so we need to get up on our hook here. So let's yarn over, drop the working tail behind, grab and pull that up on the shank there. Okay, so now we're going to be working in any of the chain 1 spaces. So we did 3 double crochets, chain 1, right? So let's go to a chain 1 space. So here's 1. I don't like to do it where the knot is, just so it doesn't get bulky. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I tend to go to another one. So enter, yarn over and pull through again for a slip stitch. Okay, pull everything nice and tight, and all these tails will get tucked in later on. Okay, now this is going to be round 2, so we're going to chain 3, yarn over and pull through 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Alrighty, so there's a chain 3. We're working in the chain 1 space. We need to do 2 double crochets. So yarn over, enter, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, go right back in, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, and now we're going to do a chain 1 and then 3 more double crochets in that same space, and it will stretch for you. Okay, so here's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. Okay, that's 3 double crochets, chain 1. Okay, so we did the chain 3, which counted as our double crochet, 2 double crochets and a chain 1, 3 more double crochets, all in our chain 1 space. All right, so now let's move on to the next chain 1 space. And we did our chain 1 here, so now we're going to yarn over, go into the next one, give it 3 double crochets, 1, this is 2, and 3, and chain 1. And incorporate that tail a little bit if you can from the prior round. Okay, yarn over, 3 more double crochets. Here's 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, chain 1. Now we're going to go into the next chain 1 space over here. 3 double crochets. So 1. Just don't forget those chain 1s, okay? This is 2 and 3, because those are your spaces for the next round. Chain 1, yarn over, go right back. 3 more, all in that same space. 1, 2, and 3. Then a chain 1. A little yarn, sorry. There we go. All right, I have 1 more here, okay? 1 more chain 1 space. So yarn over, enter that space, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. It's 1 double crochet. This is 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and now 3 more double crochets. They do stretch, don't they? They stretch out for you so that you can get all your stitches in there, and they look nice. Oh, I lost track. That was 2. This is 3. Chain 1. Okay, now we want to join. So we go to the top of the first there, the chain space, yarn over and pull through again for a slip stitch. Okay, so you're going to cut this color off. And this is what we have so far for 1 and 2. So always double check your work. Make sure that you have 3 double crochets here, 3 here, 3 here. I always try to go back and double check all mine. And then I have 3, chain 3, chain 3, chain 3. So make sure you have them all the same all the way around, and then when we meet up next time, we're going to be working in the other chain spaces. So it works itself out. But this is what you have so far for rounds 1 and 2, and I'll see you next time for round 3. I'll see you then. Thank you, and have a joyful day.